Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Freelancing allows you to decide when, where, and how you work. It's an exciting career path with unlimited growth potential. But it also comes with its challenges. Many new freelancers don't realize that working as an independent professional is running like your small business. So, freelancing work refers to employment where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project or contract basis rather than working as a permanent employees for a single company. Freelancers are self-employed and typically work with multiple clients at the same time, handling various projects. So in this context, today we will share 10 common mistakes that beginners make and how to avoid them. So let's get started. The first one of them is not understanding your market. For example, starting a bakery without knowing if people like bread or cakes in your area. That's what freelancing without market research is like. Before pursuing a freelancing career, research your role and what you can do the best. Specializing in a specific skill or industry can set you apart. For example, AI is booming nowadays, so check the job market to see what's in demand and tailor your services accordingly. Remember, clients prefer specialists over generalists. The second common mistake, that is poor time management. So freelancing means you set your schedule, but that can be a double-edged sword. Place it on the top priority list, which must be your primary responsibility. So set clear working hours and stick to them. Use tools like calendar and time blocking to manage tasks effectively and avoid overbooking yourself to prevent burnout and ensure high quality work. The third one is lacking a professional workspace. Working from home sounds great, but your sofa isn't always the best option. Create a dedicated workspace that is comfortable and distraction-free place. Think about video calls. Make sure your background is neat and professional. Investing in a good headphones and reliable internet can make a big difference. The fourth common mistake, that is underpricing your services. Setting your rates too low can hurt your businesses. It might attract clients initially, but it can also signal poor quality. Research what others in your field charge and set competitive rates. If you start with lower rates to build your portfolio, mention this in your proposal. You can gradually increase your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. The fifth one is neglecting your portfolio. A strong portfolio is your best marketing tool. Showcase your skills with samples of your work. Even if you are new, create sample projects to display your abilities. Regularly update your portfolio with recent and relevant work. Clients want to see what you can do, so make it impressive. The sixth one is overlooking the power of networking. Networking isn't just for traditional jobs. Let everyone know you are freelancing, post it on social media, join professional groups, and attend networking events. Building connection with other freelancers can also lead to recommendation and support. The seventh one is failing to communicate effectively. Communication is key in freelancing. Be clear and professional in your interaction. Discuss project detail and timelines sincerely. Provide regular updates and ensure client satisfaction before closing contracts. Good communication can prevent misunderstandings and build strong client relationships. The eighth one is mismanaging finances. So, freelancing income can be unpredictable, unusual. So, having a financial plan, having budget your expenses, save for low months, and set aside money for taxes. Starting part-time can help you build a stable client base before shifting to full-time freelancing. The ninth one is stopping learning and skill development. The freelancing world is always evolving and updating rapidly. Keep learning and updating your skills to stay competitive. Take online courses, read industry news, and explore new tools and technologies. Upskilling can open up new opportunities and help you earn more. The last one, that is not using freelancing platforms effectively. There are many freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Guru, TopTal, etc. And so many are great for finding clients and managing projects. So create a complete profile, showcase your best work, and submit tailored proposal. Use the platform features your advantage, like setting rate increase for long-term contracts. In essence, freelancing is like running your own business. It requires all business operation and skill set such as management, marketing, selling, planning, and most significantly, continuous learning to update your skills. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for success. So, thanks for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, share them with fellow freelancers and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.